47-year-old woman presents to the physician for evaluation of vomiting and diarrhea for 2 days. Her symptoms began following a company picnic a few days ago. Initially, she was unable to tolerate any solids or liquids by mouth, but now she has been able to drink sips of water. She had mild headache, which was relieved by acetaminophen. Past medical history is unremarkable. She does not take any medications. Blood pressure 120/60, heart rate 60. On examination, the mucous membranes are dry and eyes are slightly sunken. Which of the where is the most of the sodium reabsorbed in this patient's kidneys? So is it collecting duct, distal tubule, descending limb of loop of Henle, proximal tubule, or ascending limb of loop of Henle? Proximal tubule. So they were asking where the most of your sodium gets reabsorbed. Sodium does get reabsorbed at every, somewhere like DCT, collecting tubule, ascending limb of loop of Henle, but descending no, because it's impermeable to solute, right? So we rule that C out at all. Another thing is that proximal tubule is the one that does most of the sodium reabsorption because it has glucose and sodium co-transporter, it has amino acid and sodium co-transporter. So when you reabsorb glucose and amino acids, you're going to reabsorb sodium, automatically. Like it doesn't even have to do anything with the concentration in the plasma. So it just goes on its own, and then water and chloride, of course, it's going to follow sodium, right? Whereas your collecting tubule, that only reabsorbs, it has a sodium chloride, the sodium channels as well, and then it also acts based on aldosterone to reabsorb your sodium back into your plasma. But then it's only reabsorbing about 3% of your sodium that's filtered. DCT, it reabsorbs about 5% again, and thick descending, as I said, it's impermeable, and then thick ascending loop reabsorbs about 25%. So most of the channels that you have is in your proximal tubule, and most of the reabsorption happens there.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.